What's going on, guys? Figured I'd do a quick unboxing of one of the parts that showed up for the XS650 build. Came all the way from Italy from Twinside Cycles or Twinside Motorbikes. I was gonna say I'll get the camera set up here. I'll get it unboxed and show you what I ordered up for this bike. Alright. Well, like I said, it's from Twinside Motorbike Parts. So they are out of Italy, and surprisingly, it actually showed up fairly quick. Most of the time for what this is, I would be running. Now, let me get it out of the box first. I'll tell you what I would typically run. Wheel spacers. Axle. So there you go for you guys interested. So front axle, spacers, you can kind of see where this is going here. And a set of narrow trees. So like I said, I would typically run Mullen chain drive. I've ran 2 sets in the past. I know another buddy's ran. And I figured I'd give these guys a shot. So for the current price of everything in the market, it's kind of getting a little expensive. So for these and the axle shipped out of Italy, it was, I want to say it was like $350, which wasn't terrible. They come pre-grooved, ready for your, oh my god, can't even think, pre-cut, pre-grooved for your bearings. Good lord, neck bearings. It's been a hell of a day for my actual real job. I will say the one gotcha on these is they do not come standard 3.5 inch on center. They are slightly smaller than Harley, so when I do make a set of bars for these, I'm gonna have to take these off and just start right on top of these to get them actually lined up for that they should be. But for the price, for being polished out, I can't complain. And with a narrow axle. So the latest part for the build is here.